Just a few weeks ago, the main vessel made this same climb into the mountains. That gave Precursor its body. What arrives today is what brings it to life, the turbine that will turn its heat into electricity. Here at Brasimone, Newcleo is building Precursor, a 10 megawatt non-nuclear demonstrator of our lead-cooled fast reactor. It is the only demonstrator of its kind in the world to close that full cycle through to power. The turbine was designed and built by FINCANTIERI. In operation, heat from Precursor's molten lead primary circuit raises steam in the steam generators. That steam drives the turbine and its generator, producing up to 3 megawatts of electricity, enough to offset part of the facility's own demand.
We managed to install the turbine here in the ENEA-Brasimone Centre, where the turbine has been moved inside this building, will be coupled with the alternator so as to generate in the precursor plants the electricity. Today we gained another great step for the group for the nuclear activity here in Brasimone.
With the turbine installed, Precursor's cycle is complete. It no longer only models the physics of a lead-cooled reactor, it runs the full operation of a power plant. Everything measured here feeds directly into the design and licensing of Newcleo's first commercial reactor.
We are all very happy to have reached this incredible milestone. And this comes from all the hard work from all the parties involved, starting from the supplier, FINCANTIERI, SRS and Newcleo. This journey, we faced a lot of challenges, but thanks to all the people involved in this project, we were able today to install the turbine and put it here inside the Brasimone building.
From an idea to a demonstrator to power, this is Precursor.